think I'm just most excited just to be around the guys again. Just this kind of new beginning. It's kind of like sparked the passion again in a new way. So it's a challenge, but it's a fun, exciting opportunity, and hopefully, we can win a lot of football games. I'm Carson Wentz, professional quarterback, and I'm proud to be part of Bobcats' One Tough Team. Toughness is a very broad term. I think there's a lot of physical aspects to toughness, and obviously strength and power and all of those things. Being resilient when you get knocked down, getting back up. And I think with Bobcat, there's a lot of the similarities there that I think of the physical toughness and that aspect of resiliency and just being able to handle the abuse and keep going and keep powering through. I think that's where toughness lies, and I think Bobcat is a great example of toughness. Bobcat relationship's a couple years now, and it's been a lot of fun. It was an untapped world for me a little bit, but once we kind of had our new farm, opened up a whole array of projects and ideas that I had. And for me to have a vision or have an idea and to be able to just say go, because Bobcat's right there beside us and the equipment really does everything we need it to do, it's been a lot of fun. I think I love using this just because it can do the big project to the small project. This is a great size for planting food plots and those types of things, moving dirt, clear things, to till up the ground, different things like that. It does a great kind of job of the bigger, smaller, all the projects in between, and that's why we love it. The upkeep of anything, nobody really enjoys that, if we're all being honest, but when it's easy and efficient and effective like that, it makes things more enjoyable. I used to mow as a kid, a push mower, but now being able to sit on one, it's so much better, especially after workouts or those types of things. Just come out here and sit and just ride, especially this one because it's fast. The 19 miles an hour on a mower kind of caught me off guard how quick that thing got going, but I definitely, I'll cut a strip, and when I'm ready to go back in, I freaking floor that thing. To get up to 19 miles an hour is pretty cool. I love this thing because of how powerful it is. We're talking wet grass that's waist high. It's still trucking along and knocking her down. So it's an effective, efficient piece of equipment. And for me, time is money, and efficiency is like the name of my life. I'm always thinking, how can I be more efficient? The Bobcat equipment has saved me so much time. When I do want to get out there and just go, I can just go.